how to publish your Google AI Studio app on the Google Play Store. So first you want to go to Google AI Studio, then click on build your apps, and here you just want to find the app which you want to publish on the Play Store. Click on it, and once you click on it, you will need to sync it to your GitHub account. Click on sync to GitHub, and here it is just going to ask you to sign into GitHub. Once you have signed in, it is going to create a repository on GitHub. And now what we need to do is to go to this website called Vercel. Here we will need to convert or add our project from GitHub, the one that we just sent to GitHub. Okay, so from here we will click on add new, then project, and you will need to connect Vercel to GitHub as well, and this is going to automatically detect all of your projects here. So this is going to be the one which I want to publish on the Play Store, and you will just click on import. Once you click on import, scroll down and select deploy. Once your app has been deployed, we can go back to Vercel here, and this is going to be the link. We need this link. Right click on it and choose copy link address. Once you have this copied, we can go to this website, median.co, and from here what we have to do is just paste the link, click on build your app, set a name for your app, and then you will click on start building my app, and I'll show you what we need to do next. Okay, so once we have done this, here you will see the progress for your app. It is going to be build it for Android and iPhone here. And once this progress is complete, then we will click on build and download from the left hand side, and you will see this option, Android APK AAB, and you also have the option of downloading the source code. Click on build, and once this builds, this button is going to become download. So we're just going to wait for it to build, and I'm going to come back once this is complete. Okay, so it is complete, and here it is going to give you the option to download the APK. You just want to download the APK, and once you have your app release APK, you can then go to your Google Play Store developer account, and you will upload it from there. That's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.